Good morning, good morning, good morning, good day to all of us. Naka po, thank you very much. Even I just have 7 like. Dahil po today, I have 3 subscriber again. Thank you for the blessings. Thank you for giving us support. Thank you to all of us. Thank you for the some bloggers that you are still helping to me in my channel, in my videos, in my life, in my what's that? Ay, naantok na ako. 5 o'clock na kasi. Nag-off na ako, nag-i-end na ako kasi nga mamaya at 6 o'clock mag-cut off na ang connection ng wifi. Kaya ganun yung ginagawa ko na lang. Tahimik kasi at walang so kaya magkakapag-gym po ng paano pa ang gawa ng live pa. So thank you very much talaga kahit papaano to the all people that you are living in this earth. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Thank you to all viewers, subscriber, supporters, kahit hindi kayo mga viewers, kahit even you are not subscriber and supporters, at least that you are still helping and watching in my some videos that what I have. This one is the paint made in the SC studio. CC do it this one. So here in the Baghdad, mga as what I'm telling, mga madams, mga mother, bring your children when they finish school, or even you have a work, or you have a mga appointment, so you can bring your children to the SC studio. And your children can develop their skill and to learn how to do it. Okay, so thank you very much. The SC, if I'm not mistaken, for me only, for my own idea, that is Sophia Celine Studio. Oh, that's what they do. Oh. She is making that one. So once again, thank you. I-off ko na yung lamp ko para hindi maano yung battery. Kaya maraming salamat talaga. And congratulations to the some blogger that you reach already your 1 million. Thank you and congrats. And some of them also that we are only 1 subscriber. They just get 2 until 1,000 and more. So some another bloggers that you are already in the rich, in the highest standard that you have in your own channel. You are very lucky and ingatan nyo to grow up more. And thank you for the YouTube company, YouTube staff, YouTube founder, YouTube workers that you are helping and making working hard that they can provide everything what we need, not only us, not only to my families, not only to my buong angkan of my mother's side and my father's side, mga nieces, mga apo-apo sa tuhod, mga apo, mga grandchildren, granddaughter, mga relatives, cousins, mga friends, mga kumare and kumpare, mga childhood, mga classmates, mga batchmate, mga co-workers, long time ago until now. Kung hindi lahat tayo, all of us, that we are living in the different countries, that we are not the same, even we are not the same nationalities. God provide everything, blessings, good health, whatever we have, whatever you do, where we are, and what we do. And good luck also to the family of my employer, that they are treating me as one of their family, and to my madam, and to my sir, and the family of my madam, the family of my sir, and the own family of my madam, with Sisi, and the coming soon, the new baby. More blessings, their friends, and to all of us that we are still, that's what I'm telling, to all of us na lang, including na lang yan. Kasi it's very hard not to mention one by one. Okay, so once again, thank you very much. And God bless us all, and happy, Tuesday? Happy Tuesday to all of us. Happy day. Thank you very much. Thank you again. Aray ko. More blessings. Lord, thank you very much talaga, Lord. Hindi ko man masupport pabalik sa pag-visit in your individual channel, but I'm just always including to say thank you from the bottom of my heart in every videos that what I have. Thank you so much, and bye bye. God bless.